Guys, welcome back. So in episode 3, of course, we are going to be learning another 5 set of words that are very important. We tend to use many of them in our day-to-day activities. So in this very class, we are going to learn how to pronounce these words. And like I will always say, if you're a Nigerian student, you should know how to pronounce these words because these are common everyday words that your examiner can give to you in O English and you will still feel it. Okay, so let's begin to look at them one after the other. Let's start with comfortable. Now, many persons pronounce this as comfortable. Well, it may sound good, but trust me, when it comes to English, the alphabets cannot teach you how to pronounce. Alright, so the correct pronunciation is not comfortable. The correct pronunciation is comfortable. Okay, so that's like saying comf and table put together. So it becomes what? Comfortable, not comfortable. Alright, so number 2, you have vehicle. Many persons call this vehicle. In fact, almost everybody call this vehicle, but it is not vehicle. If you try to pronounce it using the normal vowel letters, or rather alphabets that you see right here, the vowel letters and the consonant letters, you will get the wrong pronunciation. It is not vehicle. It is actually vehicle. Alright, it's more like saying vehicle. So that's vehicle. Alright, not vehicle. Now you have colonel. Many persons call this what? Colonel, but it is not colonel. Alright, it is actually called kennel. Okay, that's the correct pronunciation, kennel. Now that is like saying ken and o put together. So that's kennel, not colonel. Alright, this is the correct pronunciation. Now you have debt. What do you call this? Debt? Certainly not. It is not debt. Okay, it is actually pronounced as debt. D-E-T. Debt. Alright, this is the correct pronunciation. And then finally, you have plumber, which many persons called plumber, but it is not plumber. Plumber is not the correct pronunciation. Alright, the letter B here is silent, so the correct pronunciation is plumber. Alright, is more like saying plumber, but then know that the exact pronunciation isn't just plumber. Alright, because if you check, there is no R sound, but we have the lambda sound and the schwa sound. Okay, so that's like saying plumber, but then it is more like saying plumber. Alright, so if you say plumber, you'll be about 90% correct compared to the person saying plumber. Alright, it is not plumber. Alright, just simply say plumber and you will be okay. So with that, we have come to the end, alright, of Say It Right episode 3. Okay, just stay tuned. In a few hours, Say It Right episode 4 will also land on this channel. Okay, but if you are watching this, let's say 2 or more hours after it was uploaded, check the channel very well and you'll see Say It Right episode 4. Do well to also watch it and learn to pronounce English words the way they ought to be pronounced. Alright, so if you know the pronunciation, O English will not be an issue. Okay, so see you in episode 4.